Well, good morning, Williams, Philippines. It's about 4:20 in the a.m. on Tuesday, July 22nd, 2025. Oh yeah. Yesterday was a rough one. I was all over town. Looked at a bunch of different apartments. I think I found one. Problem is, I'm so tired right now, I don't even want to. I want to go back to bed, sleep 20, 30 hours. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to have to get a few things if I go with the cheaper version. Uh, if I'm going to go check this. They have one at 14,000, which is a little higher than what I want, and one at 10, which is it's acceptable, but it's unfurnished, or well, partially furnished. Uh, Sorry, I got a stray hair. Need to fix that. Anyway, yeah, doesn't have a refrigerator. I need one of those. But I found one for, what was it, 9,000 pesos. So not that much, but more than what I really want to put in. I'm going to try to talk to some people about where to get used ones, see if there are such things around here. I'm pretty sure there are. It's just a question of where. And I want to find out. They can do a cook stove, an induction. I think that one was like 7,000. But I want to find out about a gas one. I know I know it's inside, but hey, people been burning propane gas to cook with for years. Uh, I don't know. Set it up on the porch, the patio. I don't know. We'll see. And then there's, I don't know, does it have a water dispenser? Or do you got to go down the hallway like here to go get water? I don't know. Uh, it says no hot water heater, but that's okay. I'm getting used to the idea of cold cooler, and don't get me wrong, a hot water heater can be nice, but most times here that I've been heading to the shower, I've been wanting to cool down, not heat up. So yeah, mainly I wanted to get the humidity down. Boy, the heat I can deal with. The humidity, oh, I got to get used to that. I'm working on it. It is what it is. All I know is I am tired. Sorry, this one's backwards. I just noticed that. Gonna be, yeah, running around again today. Hopefully, not as much as yesterday. But I still got to find some things. I wonder, do they have a instant apartment cooking set? Some plates, some pots and pans, and a cook stove all in one. I don't know. Uh, I'll be looking. And there's a couple of other places that I want to check for prices also for such as I need. And I'm questioning the what do you call it? The mattress. I forgot to check either of them yesterday, and I don't know how well they, what they felt like. Do I get a new one? I don't know. Another day of busy, busy, busy. I'm really ready for just a solid day of just go back to sleep. Yeah, just saying. But that's okay. I'm getting close to that. I'm supposed to be retired, not having to work so hard. But that's okay. I'm getting it set up. And that's a good thing. And this, yeah, shifting of time stuff. It is fun to do. Jet lag and time shift all in, yeah. Such fun. Anyway, I've got a few things that I need to get taken care of that way. I also need to find out, I guess, where immigration is within the next 2 weeks. Get over there and get my extension going. I don't think it'll take that long, but I'd rather be early than late. Yeah. And being that I'm the alien here, you know, the person coming to this country, I want to obey the laws, make sure I do things right, because, well, it's the way you're supposed to do it. I still don't get people taking and arguing about sending people back who are breaking the law. Saw something in a video about that. I'm like, are these people just straight up idiots or what? I don't know. Anyway, yeah. It seems to have been a bunch of severe cases of run. And I'm tired of running and my feet hurt. Yeah. Not used to that. That and the lower back. Texas has good roads in most cases, and we repair them on a regular basis. Yeah. I haven't seen a repair crew out, but I seen evidence that some has happened. It seems like it's not as high standards as fixing. But then, you know, what can I say? Texas taxes you to death for fixing roads, because we have lots of them. And you know, I'm looking and seeing this, and I'm realizing they've probably got a good bit of road here in the Philippines too. Maybe not as much as Texas, but they again have 4 times the people, so 4 times the wear and tear. I don't know. Anyway, I can honestly say the coin purse has been a great help. They're not all over the place, and my bills aren't trying to sneak out of my pocket. Yeah, not good. You don't want to lose money. Anyway. Hopefully over the next couple of days get moved over into a new apartment. Can't guarantee I'm going to get to post all these days, so I'm trying to, yeah, get some things done. I'm going to try to pack some of my stuff back in. The problem is decompression has occurred. I put so much stuff in there and had to sit on them to get them to close, or just about stand on them to get them to close. And now that they've popped, oy, there's still a lot of stuff in them. But, oh, yeah. Anyway, I'll get it figured out one way or another. Williams, Philippines. This is William. And lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. And again, more food. Oh, and I found a couple of good places for a cheap meal. Yeah. I'm going to be trying to hit another place for another Canadaria, I don't know. Little roadside pop-up restaurant. They had some pretty good food. Might try Friday to go to Carbon Market. I'm not sure. We'll see how much energy I have at that point. I swear I'm feeling like yeah. I really need more sleep. And that would be a good thing, to get more sleep. So I don't know. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye-bye. I'm fishing. Oh yeah, more food. Fish out.